Hello and good morning, everyone. Whenever I've tried to analyze the secret recipe behind successful people, I have always come to a conclusion that successful people do not do different things, they do things differently. Today, at this critical juncture, when June 2019 attempt is only a few days away, I am here in front of you with an achiever, with a rank holder, with a student who has surpassed all the obstacles in life and has achieved success. Yes, he is CMA Inter qualified Krishna Gupta. Krishna has secured All India rank 43rd. So I thought he'll be the best person to guide you, to motivate you on the critical cusp of your CMA final and inter examination. So we welcome all of you, Krishna, on our channel. Thank you for taking out time and being part of our episode.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
So, Krishna, all the students are just waiting for your guidance to them because all of them want to be a rank holder. So, my first question to you would be, how does it feel to be a rank holder? How does it feel to be a CMA finalist? And what were the reactions of your parents or your teachers or your colleagues when you told them that you've cleared CMA Inter?
Yeah, it was an awesome feeling for me and my parents when I heard about the I secured a rank, and then it's a awesome feeling for me when I got a result. So it's totally good. So
Okay, so what was the plan and strategy behind preparations?
see, I've tried to complete the studies. First of all, syllabus is very huge if I compare to other management codes. So I prepare a strategy. Accordingly, I just plan the subject-wise coachings and then classes. So first of all, I have prepare a timetable, and then accordingly I prepare my studies. So first of all, my objective is complete the scoring chapter of all the subjects. So this is a very important point for all the students. So which I need to complete scoring chapters for every, which is theoretical subject, which is practical subjects, for all subjects. First of all, I complete the scoring chapter, and then prepare a timetable of ABC analysis accordingly. So that's the first strategy which I used in my CMA examination.
Great. So, now tell us frankly, what were the number of hours which you were studying before, say, 4 months back? 4 months when you were 4 months away from your examination, and when you were, say, 4 weeks away from your examination.
See, sir, it's totally depend on my timing because I am also working, right? So there is a no doubt there is a lack of timing because we have only 24 hours in a day. So I need to manage everything.
Right.
So, but that's sure if we want we can manage everything. Before my examination, I always try to study 4 to 5 hours on daily basis. I know it's a very difficult challenge because timing is very important for everybody. So if we manage every timing na, so everything is managed under the
Right.
timing.
Right.
So that's a very important thing.
Right.
So before examination, I've tried to complete without failing to study 4 to 5 hours,
Right.
and then after that, when I come nearest for the examinations, so I try to complete at least 7 to 8 hours,
Right.
not more than, because it's very difficult for me
Right.
because I need to manage professional
Job.
life as well as study life.
So let me tell you one very interesting fact. Um, Krishna could not leave his job, and he has qualified CM Inter along with doing job. He did not quit his job. He did it along with doing his job. So all of you, I receive a lot of queries where students are asking me that, sir, we are doing job. How can we do our studies? We are not able to get time. This is just a excuse. Please don't give these excuses to yourself. You have an example in front of you who's completed his studies along with his job. So nothing is impossible. So next question to you, Krishna, would be, how did you decide what coachings to take and what not to take, which subject to go for coaching and which subject not to go? What is the theory behind this?
See, according to me, it's totally depend on the student's strength, because strength, every student is know where I'm lacking, where I'm not lacking, because everybody is know. Even I know that where I'm lacking. So practical subject is always scoring, sir. So always take a practical subject coaching, because practical subject is a very important, and then conceptual questions, and then conceptuals a strategy which
Hmm.
need to complete and which I try to give in exams. So
Hmm.
these are the very important for the practical point of view.
Hmm.
According to me, practical subjects which I need to take a coaching,
Hmm.
because theoric- theoretical subject is also similar,
Hmm.
because first of all, if you know about the practical na, so theoretical subject is also cover under
Hmm.
this
Hmm.
thing.
Hmm.
So these are the strategy I have used a practical coaching for the.
Perfect. So there is no hard and fast rule whether to take coaching of theory or not, whether to take coaching of practical or not. It entirely depends on your comfort, guys. So you need to analyze looking at your course content whether you want a coaching of a particular subject or not. So please choose, take this decision very, very wisely. So, Krishna, the next question to you would be is appearing in both the groups, which is a difficult task, beneficial apart from the rank? Of course, we know that rank will come only if you appear in both the groups, but
Okay.
apart from that, is there any other benefit?
Sir, very very important, very very important. If every student is give together, both group, because it will be secured for the, you are secured, because if we are lacking, because every marks is important, because I saw some people's students, they are lacking for the 1 marks.
Hmm.
So they did not complete the inter one group and second group.
Absolutely.
I know some few students in my circle as well.
Hmm.
So these are the very important. Even I was confused. I have already discussed with the students and then seniors whether
Hmm.
whether I
Hmm.
need to give both group,
Hmm.
one
Hmm.
group, second group.
Hmm.
I have always confused.
Hmm.
So,
Hmm.
but my determination is very clear. I give both group, which I gave in December 2018 attempt,
Hmm.
and then that's a thing.
Right.
So both group is very very important for scored
Hmm.
good marks. It's totally depend rather than whether you secured a rank or not, but both group is very very important for the good marks point of view.
So let me reveal another secret of Krishna over here. Krishna has flunked twice or thrice?
Thrice most.
Thrice in CMA Inter examination, and during his fourth stint, he qualified. So don't worry if you have if you have not been able to qualify CMA Inter in first or second attempt. Don't worry at all. You stand chances of being a rank holder. And second, very very important thing which has come up with this interaction is that giving both the groups is essential, guys. Now is the time when you will feel a little jittery, you will feel worried. Sir, क्या एक ही ग्रुप दे दूं? सर एक ग्रुप छोड़ दूं? जून में नहीं हो पा रहा, एक ग्रुप नहीं दे पा रहा. Please do not lose patience at this point in time. Hold on, कोई बात नहीं. कुछ chapters difficult लग रहे हैं, you won't be able to complete them, you won't be comfortable in certain chapter. That's perfectly okay. As Krishna has told us, do ABC analysis, and after doing ABC analysis, choose which topics are important and which topics are not important, and accordingly you can study. Of course, time is limited, but you stand a chance. So do not lose hope, do not lose heart. All right. So Krishna, finally, what are the three important um, tools or ingredients or guidance point which you want to give to students who are appearing in their June 2019 examination and December 2019 examination to obtain a rank?
Okay. And then according to me, what I follow the strategy of the first is prefer the institute modules rather than the reference other reference book, because institute modules is very important for examination point of view. I follow even I was confused which book I need to follow which or not, because but I have decided I need to follow only one group, which is institute modules. So these are the very important point key, because every student is confused, because there is so many references book
Yes,
related to
yes.
the particular subject.
Yes.
There is a lot of books. I was
Hmm.
confused what I need to follow. I have in my tables 3 to 4 books in a particular one subject. So I was also confused. So I thought ki no, institute modules is very important, because they are made for specific purpose
Hmm.
rather than the other or other references book. So institute module is very very important for every student, for what I think. And then secondly, you need to prepare a timetable, uh, strategic wise, where I need to lag, where which subject is not strong for the study point of view. So these are the very important. You need to prepare the timetable. So accordingly, I also prefer the timetable. What time I need to start, which subject, which topic. So timetable is very very important. And then scoring chapters is also important, because every modules you know about the index, so every index is mention of the scoring chapters, scoring marks. So scoring marks is very very important, because what I think I need to complete at least 50 to 60% of course in every subject. Once I clear 50 to 60%, no, after that whatever time I have just complete the rather than other material of the course.
Right.
So these are the very important. And then third step is practice. Practice is very very important for all subjects rather than theory and then practical, because what I think now, I have not a practice in a theoretical subjects. Even my hand is very very tired at that time during that exam timing. So because I'm working, right, sir, practical
Right.
subject is very very important.
Right.
So what I think, once I complete the one topic, one subject, so I have always tried to do 2 to 3 questions of every concept. So these are the very very important point that I think. Even I have followed the same strategy.
Perfect.
And then third, and then most important thing, but I think, you know, your circle. Circle, everybody has some friends, students,
Right.
and then boss.
Right.
So what I think, remove the negative peoples in your circles, because everybody's, some people you got the discourage and then encourage. It's totally depend on your person to person. It's totally mindset, totally change. But I think, according to me, there is a lot of friends and then lot of colleagues and all. So they always try to misguide and guide me always. It's totally depend to person to person.
Right.
So remove your negativity and then be positive, because CMA, and not CMA, professional exam is a very very dangerous and then and then thought of negativity is create, it will be build up, not decrease. It will be build up to build up, build up to build up. What I think. So motivated and positive is a very important point for
Right,
the
right.
every professional students.
Right.
So these are the very important. Even most of the students, my circle, just told me, you just leave this course. It's a very very difficult professional
Oh.
courses, because do other management courses. So my thought is very clear, because I need to clear CMA anyhow. So because no doubt there is a very very tough, no doubt. You don't know where, when you get the time, and
Yes.
then where you get the marks, you don't know, seriously.
Yes,
You don't
yes.
know. So be faith your own self first of all,
Correct.
and then do well. And then what I did, I'm just doing.
Perfect.
Don't think whether it is right or not. What I think I'm doing right now.
Perfect. So, on that confident note, let me tell you, do not worry. Definitely, you will qualify your examination. Just go on. Just go on the right path, and you will definitely achieve your goal, your mission. We wish all the best to Krishna for his final attempt, and may we see him as a rank holder in the CMA final examinations also. All the very best, Krishna,
Yeah,
and
thank
all the
you.
very best to all the subscribers as well who have their attempt in June 2019 examination. Guys, now close YouTube and go study. All the very best and happy studying.
All the best, all of you.